Hello DB besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we're going to try to beat our ornament making record from last year. So last year we made a video. If you haven't watched it yet, watch it right here, where we saw how many ornaments we could make in 15 minutes and we made 5, which actually I think was pretty good because there was a lot of cutting, a lot of weeding. We did some sublimation in there. It's a very fun video and a very chaotic watch. I highly recommend you watch it. But today, we have a revolutionary new product to use, and we are gonna do it with UV DTF. So I bought 6 acrylic blanks. These aren't technically ornaments, just being real, they're luggage tags. But I thought they were really cute, and I really wanna use them. So we're gonna pretend today that these are ornaments, and we're gonna see how long it will take us to beat our record from last year and make 6. So we're gonna start a timer, we're gonna see how long it takes, and huzzah. It'll definitely be way less than 15 minutes. So we're gonna do it, and while we do it, we're gonna talk about UV DTF and why it's amazing. So let's get into it. Dolly is gonna sit right here for sure. She's gonna be with me for the whole video. I already know it. I cannot sit on a floor without Dolly wanting to be with me because she's a Bernedoodle. Bernedoodles just wanna be with you. Yes, you do. Go lay over there. Or go get in your bed. Why don't you go get in your bed? Sit, lay down. Okay, wait, right there. So I've already cut out the 6 designs that I want to use, but I want to show you, this is a full gang sheet of UV DTF. So if you ever hear someone use the term gang sheet, you have no idea what they're talking about, and it's in reference to DTF, they just mean the really long sheet where all the DTF or UV DTF transfers are nested in to save space, and also it just saves money because you can print a whole sheet all at once. So if you order UV DTF or DTF, it's gonna come like this. And you can order this UV DTF on dtfprinter.com. You can upload your own designs and order as much as you want. Or this exact UV DTF gang sheet is actually available in our DTF Dollar Event, which is happening on Thursday, September 18th, this week. So Run, Don't Walk, that is our event that happens every month where we heavily discount 2 curated sheets of DTF and 2 curated sheets of UV DTF to a stellar price, but for 1 hour and 1 hour only. And it gets its name, the Dollar Event, for if you buy all 4 bundles, it basically works out to about $1 per transfer, which is a really, really good deal. So that's happening this Thursday. It's super fun, and because it's a physical product, once they sell out, they are gone. So you definitely wanna be on the front end of that sale and snag the bundles that you want. Wow. Dolly. Also, the other thing that's great about the DTF Dollar Event is we curate every design in the event. So every transfer on every bundle is hand curated, hand designed, hand picked by us, the team at Design Bundles, that we research to see kind of what's trending for the upcoming season. And these are designs that are exclusive. You can't get them anywhere else outside the event. So even if you can't attend this event on September 18th, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time online, you can go to designbundles.net and look at DTF deals if you want more information about the event. But even if you can't come to this one, sign up for text alerts. We do it once a month and the deals are always amazing. So if you're wondering where the designs I'm gonna use in today's challenge come from, they're from the September DTF Dollar Event. So also, I don't know where my rubber band went. Oh, it's right here. Gotta rubber band this back shut. Also, I have very exciting news. This is brand new information. We haven't even announced it yet, but a lot of you have been asking for ready-made DTF and UV DTF bundles that you can just buy on the dtfprinter.com site outside of our DTF Dollar Event. And we have not had that up to this point. Up to this point, if you wanna buy DTF or you wanna buy UV DTF, you either have to upload your own designs or designs you get from Design Bundles, or you have to wait for the DTF Dollar Event, but no more. So starting very soon, keep an eye on the dtfprinter.com site. You will be able to buy curated bundles anytime you want. So you didn't hear that from me. Okay, let's open our ornaments and let's see how long it takes us to make 6 of them. Okay, so here are the designs we're going to do. We've got our little snowman, so cute. We're gonna do these little geese. We're gonna do both of these. This is actually two different designs. I need to cut it in half, actually. This is design 1 here, design 2 with the little trees. We're also gonna do this one, North Pole Book Club. Here, do it like this so you can see it. North Pole Book Club. And then Feelin' Jolly. So cute. So let's get attaching them and I'll tell you kind of all about DTF. So if you've not gotten a chance to, oh, are these coated or not? Yes, they are, okay. I always forget to remove those. Oh, Nick, start the timer. All right, if you've never gotten a chance to play with UV DTF, it's basically like a fancy sticker. So that's one thing that I really like about it is the ease of application. If you are a person who doesn't have a cutting machine yet and you're just like curious about getting into crafting, this is a great one for you because honestly, you don't need anything. You just need your hands. And some people like to use like a squeegee or a credit card to kind of smooth it out, but honestly, your hands work just fine. UV is also a great place to start because it's really durable. It's really hard to rip it. It's really hard to mess it up. You're pretty much gonna be good. So it is a full color transfer printed on one layer using just a specialized printer. So see, even then I just ripped it and I didn't even mess it up. So it's all printed on one layer. So you do get that full color look that a lot of us love when we're using like our Cricuts, but you get it on one layer. So you're not having to layer a bunch of stuff together or on top of each other. There's no cutting machine, no weeding. It's just peel and stick and then you're done. That's truly it. And it's really just super simple. So that's the first thing I love about it is that it's simple for beginners. Whether you have a cutting machine or you don't have a cutting machine, you can use this product. And we're one ornament in already. So that's the first thing I love about it. The second one is kind of what I already said, which is that you don't need a cutting machine. I love a complicated design, okay? Like I love designs that have a lot of layers to them. I love designs that have a lot of color to them. I love a lot of detail. And it's just almost unattainable using vinyl because you're doing so much cutting, so much weeding, so much layering, trying to line everything up. You know, as my grandmother would say, it'll make you want to lose your salvation. So it's hard, okay? It's hard to do. And the hardest part about using UV DTF is literally just getting the backing to peel off. But you're able to achieve that full color look, which is so nice. So I can do my complicated designs and I don't have to worry about all the layering and all the weeding. So that's the second thing I love about UV DTF. One thing I will say, a pro tip, if you will, is if you're new to using it, if there's like a dainty part of your design, like the letters on this are kind of dainty. So I am taking like special care kind of around that area, just making sure we're not ripping up any of our letters. Those are the only areas that can be a little bit finicky. I've never had a massive problem with them, but I just try not to like tear upwards. I do try to make like kind of a flat angle when I'm working with like thin little letters, and it does help. And now we're 2 ornaments in. All right, let's move on to the third. I need my scissors for this third one. I don't know where I put them though. I'm probably sitting on them. Yeah, I am. All right, let's move on to ornament number 3. I love this little Christmas tree design. And I've got to remember to take the little film off of this. Oh, did I already do it? No, there's no way. Or is there? Half of my timer, there it is. Half of my timer is gonna be used taking the film off of the luggage tag. Oh, another thing I love about UV DTF while we're getting into it over here is it's dishwasher safe, which if you are a crafter or have been crafting for any length of time, you're probably sitting at home right now cheering because there are so many products out there that say they're dishwasher safe or whatever, and they're not. They're not dishwasher safe at all. This truly is. I have tumblers that I made over a year ago that I still run through the dishwasher and they look just as good as the day I bought them. So when this product says it's dishwasher safe, it really, really, really is. And that's one of the things that I love about it because your product that you're gonna make is gonna be durable. Ornament 3. On to number 4. Also, I guess technically, if we're going to really be doing this, we should be doing how many can we make, how many, or how long does it take us to make 5? Because that's how many I made last time. Oh, no, because I want to try to beat my record from last year. Thanks to UV DTF, we actually can. And honestly, that's the next thing I love about it is UV DTF is so quick. So if you're somebody who has ever been interested in starting your own craft business, or you're just busy, and you want to make crafts for people, or you want to make crafts for yourself, it's such an easy to use product and it's so quick. So you can make pro quality designs and pro quality product very, very quickly. And I find myself recommending it to people who are business owners a lot, crafty business owners particularly, because a lot of times you have a design, and this really applies to DTF as well, which DTF, just so you know, if you're completely unfamiliar, is the apparel version of this product. So you need a heat press to apply it, but it can go on like shirts, tote bags, etc. But I find myself recommending both this product and regular DTF to crafty business owners a lot because you don't have to pre-make a bunch of shirts. You can just have your transfers, sitting at home or in your storage unit or wherever you keep it. And then when somebody orders a shirt, you can just put it on the size that they ordered. Number 5. Here, I'm gonna move that out of the way. Number 5. You can just put it on the shirt that they ordered in whatever size that they need, and you don't have to have all this overstock. So it really helps prevent you just having a bunch of inventory sitting around that, you may never use. Again, the thing that takes the longest is peeling the backing away. I'll take it. All right, Nick, get ready to stop the timer because as soon as I peel this away, we're done. Ta-da! Done. Stop the timer. We did it! We made 6 ornaments in just 6 minutes and 50 seconds using UV DTF. And they look amazing. So once again, if you're interested in UV DTF, definitely check out dtfprinter.com. You can also hear a lot about it in our DB Besties Facebook group, which if you're not a part of that group, what are you even doing? It is a great Facebook community of like-minded crafters where we just get together, give each other inspiration, answer questions for each other, help each other out. And you also get to be the first to hear about all of our deals, events, and sales if you're in the DB Besties group. So we'll link it in the description below, but definitely join that group if you're not already in it. You hear people talking about UV DTF and DTF a lot in that group. Because it really is kind of like the next frontier for crafting. If you're like me and you've been crafting for a while, this is a game changer because I can design whatever I want and just upload it as a PNG to dtfprinter.com. And then I have a full color transfer that I can use for all of my crafting. And I can apply it so quickly. Not only can I apply it quickly, but it's gonna be durable, dishwasher safe, it's gonna last a long time, it's vibrant, it doesn't fade, chip, crack. It's beautiful. I use this on cups, ornaments, like signage. I'm trying to think of what else I put it on. You can really put it on any hard surface. So like if you need like a permanent sticker for something, this product is great for that as well. UV DTF is amazing. It's so versatile. I think you're gonna love it. You absolutely should try it if you haven't already. And the best place to try it is by joining one of our DTF Dollar events and snagging a bundle at a great price. Our next one is this week. It's September 18th from 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern time. But stay tuned to all of our social media because we have one every month and we'll always be updating you on when the next one is. So friends, until next time, happy crafting, happy UV DTFing, and happy DTFing also. And we will see you back here next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep crafting.